Alright, Master Designers, tonight we're gonna draw Falcon Fly from Bakugan New Destroyer. Falcon Fly is basically one of the rarest and mostly really hard to find Bakugan. Only a certain few have been trying to get their hands on this Bakugan, but it's really rare and hard to find. Even I didn't even find it. I couldn't even find it. He has a resemblance to a dragonfly, and his ally's name is Percival. If you guys have an spare Falcon Fly, could you please lend one to me? I want to show it for one of my drawing videos. Here's his claws. Make them long. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Until the battle's won. No one's gonna give a thing to us. Into each other we put our trust. Standing united after the fight. It's a brand new day. We have turned the page. I never knew how much I needed somebody to love me this way.
Alexa, what is a dragonfly?
A dragonfly is a flying insect belonging to the order Odonata, infraorder Anisoptera. Adult dragonflies are characterized by a pair of large, multifaceted compound eyes, 2 pairs of strong, transparent wings, sometimes with colored patches, and an elongated body.
Do this alone, even though I'm strong. Need something more than me,
done. Still got 3 more. Now we draw the scissor. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
I can't do this alone, even though I'm strong. Need something more than me, someone to push me to victory. Let's see what we can do together, me and you. Can't be afraid to try, 'cause your fear's gonna fly. No looking back, you and I, we're on the attack. Full speed ahead, running to the sunset. Such a different feeling, both of us believing we can make it better. Together we can show the world what we can do. You are next to me and I'm next to you. Pushing on through until the battle's won. No one's gonna give a thing to us. Into each other we put our trust. Standing united after the fight. All alone we will never be. The two of
Us.
are holding the key. We see today. Oh, well, we couldn't
And finish. That's how you draw a falcon fly. Don't you worry, folks. I got more like this on the way. Stay tuned for more awesome episodes that this guy has to offer. Be sure to go to the Bakugan playlist, and I'd be happy to take your request. And make sure you like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Thank you, see you later. Good night.